Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, we're comparing two powerful note-taking apps, Obsidian and Upnote, to help you decide which one is truly better for your productivity in 2025. Let's start with Obsidian. Obsidian is a knowledge management tool built around local Markdown files. It's perfect for creating a personal knowledge base, with backlinking, graph view, and powerful community plugins. It works offline, gives you full control over your data, and is ideal for deep thinkers, researchers, or writers who want to build a connected web of ideas. However, it can feel overwhelming for beginners and may take time to set up. Now let's talk about Upnote. Upnote is a sleek and minimalist note-taking app focused on simplicity and speed. It's great for quick notes, to-do lists, and organizing ideas with notebooks and tags. It has a distraction-free interface, automatic syncing across devices, and is very beginner-friendly. However, it's more suited for straightforward note-taking and lacks the advanced linking features that Obsidian offers. So, which is better? If you want a powerful, customizable system for long-term knowledge building, choose Obsidian. But if you prefer a clean, fast, and easy note-taking experience, go with Upnote. In short, Obsidian is best for complex knowledge networks, while Upnote is best for simple, elegant note-taking. Pick the one that fits your style and goals. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.